Been thinking a lot about confidence really recently, and it's a lot of the work that I do. Not all of it, but a lot of it. And I think that we have tricked ourselves into believing that we don't have any. Confidence is not a personality trait. It is like a muscle. You always have the muscle, but it's how big you grow the muscle, or whether or not you're using it enough for you to feel confident and or for it to grow. And competence helps build that confidence. It's also something that changes depending on the situation, right? We've all had a boss that made our lives hell and really eroded our confidence. And we've all worked in a team or had a boss that helped to build our confidence. And so you start to recognize it's not whether you're confident or you're not. The question is whether you're going to lean into what's great about you, whether you're going to believe that you are enough, whether you're going to believe that what you do, you are capable, you are able, all of these things. The problem that we're often finding isn't that we don't have confidence, it is that we don't lean into our own greatness. So today, that's what I'm encouraging you to do. To let go of saying you don't have confidence and just remember that confidence is something that changes, that grows. So you may have it in one area, but you may not have it in another. Let's change the narrative on this from I don't have confidence to my confidence shows up where I feel most competent. And now I'm working on competency in lots of different areas of my life so that I can always feel confident.